part 2. Yun nga. So naman, sabi ko, like, minap ko to, diba? Minap ko to sa drum hit. So, for example, I'm trying to build something up. I can, like, pwedeng, madiinan, sorry. Anyway, you get the picture. So, yeah. And then, I haven't finished mapping this yet. Pero ito naman, minap ko to the filter. So, yun. Filter siya. Sige, tuloy ko lang. So, to the next song, halimbawa. So, yun. So, yun siya. Filter. Dati kasi I map some on-off effects here, pero nagdo-double trigger siya eh, so hindi ko na minap. Weird. So ayan, siguro synth na lang to. What else? Yeah, of course, you can map yung BPM adjust. Pwede mo, ginagawa ko rin minsan eh, pwede ko rin yung push. Ito, tips and tricks na lang to. Sometimes I do ano siya, parang end siya ng song, end siya ng set. Something like that. So anyway, so for example, yeah. So 7 cents. So ito, I also map this to an effect. Yun nga eh, yung mga libre, I try to map it to effects. So ito parang ano siya eh, alam mong ginagawa ko to. Like in the middle of the set, parang ano siya. Parang akala mo tapos na yung ano. Parang fade to black. Yan, hinig mo naman eh. Babalik ko siya. Yun. Anyway, I think that's it. That's the whole demo. So yun. So that's it. Oh yeah, one last thing. Yung effects ko are mapped in such a way that when you move it, like for example, filter, diba? When you move it, it turns it on. Then, at the same time, changes parameters. So, when I bring it back to the default setting, ito yung default setting ko, ito eh. Off to. Off siya. Off setting. So, once I move it, on na agad yan. Off, on. Yan. So, tapos at the same time, parameter movement siya. So, off. So, pwede ko siyang laruin na gano'n. Parang chaos pad. So, sabi ko sa iyo sa chat na I can do away with the chaos pad for some effects. Ito na yun. The same goes with all the triggers or on-off. So parang ito, on-off. Pag pinindot ko to, on siya nung... Yan, on-off siya. So, that's pretty much it, bro. Yun. Yun. Ito yung isa kong laruan. Kaya lang, ubos oras. Yung MPK. Okay naman siya. Dusty lang siya ngayon. Ito na sound card ko ngayon. Kaya lang, move on lang tayo sa next. Anyway, audio control 1. One of, I think, super sulit na sound card. Super sulit. Same setup. Ayoko na ipakita yung the rest of the room. So, ito yung makeshift room ko habang nagre-renovate ng studio. Ito yung bago kong Electribe. Sabi ko sa'yo, of course, the trusty DO7. The red Electribe. And my K oscillator. Yan. Naubusan ng baterya eh. Same old SP808. Wanna get rid of this. Pero yung JP8000 ko, which needs good cleaning. Haven't found the time. Pero bumili na ako ng cleaning para sa JP. So yan. Chaos pad is in here. This bag. And yan. This is the FPD 1000 I'm selling. Yeah. So that's my little Fender amp. Anyway, that's it. These are my guitar collections. Yes. And yan na yung mga gitara ko ngayon. Yeah, that's it, bro. Hope you enjoyed the demo and may tanong ka o ano, I'm just chat away. Alright.